He won't hold still for the picture. Kayla, don't you want to play with that? Do you need something more fluffy? How about this little bird? She doesn't want to play. Silly boy. Not crazy? Are you videoing him? Good kitty. Hello, girl. What you doing, prettiest? You're kind of mellow on the catnip, huh? Did you eat it all?